clinical symposiums are important to educate the community and keep everybody up on current technologies, both community members and other ancillary health care providers. My presentation today is on total hip arthroplasty. It's a novel technique known as SuperPath. It stands for Superior Percutaneous Assisted Total Hip. It's probably the least common way a total hip is done and is probably the least invasive and has the lowest complication rate. So it's certainly something that more providers should be aware of. It's important to educate the ancillary providers because we're all a team in medicine, and so far Temecula's Southwest Healthcare's really put together a good team to do these total joints efficiently and at lower cost. The whole team has to be involved. That includes the nurses and the physical therapists, so we get better results and earlier discharges.
These clinical symposiums are an important way, first of all, to network and meet with our community providers of healthcare to interact and discuss important aspects of people's health, And not every time do we get to talk with a subspecialist or a surgeon about certain topics that are important, and there might be misinformation out there, and it's a great opportunity to enlighten folks in the community. My presentation tonight is basically to shed light on robotic-assisted knee replacements. It's a newer technology. I think it's going to be used more and more mainstream. I don't think the community knows fully what that means. There's a lot of misinformation out there. I'd like to clarify some of the things the robot can do, cannot do, and some of the interesting and cool things we have in our future.